local disk E. It means our data on disk partition 4. In order to all of your data not delete, make sure this partition 4 not do anything for this partition. Do not increase the partition or decrease the partition. We just going change the partition 2 or partition 3. Partition 1, this is the field is system reserved. Just ignore it. First, we click partition 2, then click drive option. We format it. Okay. Then delete. Remember, now our partition 4 become partition 3. We click partition 2. We do again click format. After it, we click delete. Okay. Now we have the unallocated space. You can arrange as you want. I'm going make partition C 100 gigabyte. We click unallocated space. Click new. I'm going enter delete it and enter 1. Then apply. Your partition local disk C have 100 gigabyte. Then click unallocated space, click new, and just click apply. Automatically it will create partition D, and the remain is 90. Okay. Before you click next, make sure you click local partition C. It's mean partition 2. Local disk C. It's mean partition 2. Okay. Do not click order 3 or 4. Just click partition 2. Then next. We wait on here. The main on when you